creating shapes with rounded corners like this is impossible in Toon Boom. Here's how to do it anyway. Take a line tool and draw a straight line across the screen. Go to the black arrow tool, select the artwork, and over in Tool Properties, make it real big. Then right click it and go down to Convert Pencil Lines to Brush Strokes. Then right click it again, go to Convert again, and go down to Convert Strokes to Pencil Lines. This puts a really big fat stroke around the edge of that brush stroke. So deselect, select the edges again, make those edges really thin once more, and deselect the middle, and you are left with a round outer edge. And you can do this with anything. So for something like a square, I'll make a little square like this, and then make its edges as big and round as I want my final shape to be. Of course, right click again, go to Convert to Brushstrokes, convert again, back to Pencil Lines, puts edges around the end, get rid of the edges and make it nice and thin again. I could just draw some shapes like that and then go to Convert, Strokes to Pencil Lines, and that gets rid of the middle, nice and ready for me to, yeah, it's handy.